businesses can be categorized into two: one who makes standard products, or one who are suppliers to original equipment manufacturers like say Tata Motors or Bajaj or so on and so forth. I would also add one more category to this. There are project-based industries. कि मटेरियल हैंडलिंग सिस्टम बनाना है, मैं सीमेंट फैक्ट्री डाल रहा हूं तो ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आपको दे रहा हूं. A material handling system has so many things to be taken care of. They are called project based. There the peculiarities are different. Next. We've handled various kinds of industries. The idea is that there are some companies who specialize only in one particular type of industry, but then we have taken a very conscious decision to go across various verticals simply because it gives you a lot of exposure. Each industry has got its own peculiarities, and within industry the way businesses are done are different. See, the product does not matter. Let's make this very, very clear here. What product you manufacture does not matter. What matters is the business process. And 80 to 90% business processes across industries are the same. There are peculiarities, definitely, but that constitutes hardly 10 to 15% industry to industry, company to company. And that's the key. The 10-15% is the key, which calls for customization. Like we have done an ERP implementation for 2 corrugated box manufacturers, both in the same industry, but both do businesses differently. What I mean by they do businesses differently is that their procurement process is different. Just giving an example. So it has to be handled differently, so it has to be customized. So ERP is not something that it is done, CD ले आया, कल सवेरे डाल दिया, start. That customization is the key. That 15-20% customization that we do is going to give you 80% satisfaction. Right? So either direct selling or selling through dealers, distributors. Next. 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 See, as I go along, I'll also tell you how it's benefited these companies which have been using this ERP for quite some time. I'll give you an example of this lens manufacturing company. It's based in Pune. They make these, lenses where after the cataract operation, it has to be implanted in the patient. Manufactured in Pune, hospital somewhere, doctor somewhere, patient somewhere, it's delivered. The life of this lens is 5 years. अगर इसमें एक ही चीज हो सकता है कि कंटामिनेशन, तो कंटामिनेशन हो गया, 5 साल के अंदर खराब हो गया तो फ्री रिप्लेसमेंट देना पड़ता है. तो ये कब मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ वो तो ट्रेसिंग इज मच इजियर, नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट द मोर डिफिकल्ट एस्पेक्ट इज दैट फॉर ईच बैच दैट इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड, व्हाट इज द मटेरियल दैट इज बीन यूज्ड टू मैन्युफैक्चर दैट कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस इज कैप्चर्ड इन द सिस्टम, राइट? सो इफ there is a complaint of the lens failing within 5 years or whenever, you can go back and trace कि ये मैंने कौन सा मटेरियल लेकर बनाया था. So if say for particular batches I'm getting these complaints, I can trace back to the supplier who has been supplying material and saying the suppliers only from you I'm getting complaints, so better pull up your socks and improve the quality. That's very important, especially in certain critical products that you all manufacture. This will be very useful. That is backward tracking. Next. This company is into projects, There's another company, UPS manufacturer. Peculiarity there is the after sale service. So you have both with spares, without spares, within warranty, so non-chargeable, outside warranty, but you got to pay on the spares and so on and so forth. All that is handled in the system. So, furniture manufacturing company, very famous. Peculiarity here is, see, in any sofa that you see, a model has not one single fabric there. There are multiple fabrics, and the majority of these fabrics are imported. Okay? So the lead time for procurement of a fabric ranges anything between 45 days to 60 days. तो सपोज आपने एक मॉडल चूज कर लिया और बोला ये मुझे चाहिए विद दिस फैब्रिक, लेकिन मुझे डिलीवरी देना 26 जनवरी को क्योंकि मेरी मकान तब तक तैयार हो जाएगी, तो आई डोंट वांट द फर्नीचर टू कम एंड लैंड नाउ, फिनिशिंग टचेस आर गोइंग ऑन, 26 जनवरी को मेरी घर की गृह प्रवेश है, तभी उसके पहले लाके आप डिलीवर कर देना, लेकिन मुझे यही फैब्रिक चाहिए। तो अगर उसको फैब्रिक है तो ठीक है, वो क्या करता है कि आपके लिए ये मॉडल आपने चुना, कितना फैब्रिक लगेगा उतना रिजर्व कर देता है। सो द स्टोर्स गाई कैन नॉट इश्यू दैट मटीरियल टू समबडी। सपोज देयर इज अनदर ऑर्डर, ही कम्स एंड सेज आई वांट द सेम सोफा विद द सेम फैब्रिक। So the stores guy cannot issue to the shop floor the same fabric because it's reserved. तो प्रोडक्शन वाला बोलेगा मुझे तो दिखता है ना वहां पड़ा हुआ है, वो बोला नहीं भैया ये किसी के लिए रिजर्व करके रखा है, इसको आप यूज नहीं कर सकते हो। ये बोलने में बहुत आसान है बट सिस्टम में मैनेज करना इज क्वाइट टफ, बट वी हैव डन दैट कंपनी वांटेड बिकॉज द लीड टाइम इज 60 days. If he removes and gives it, the MD has already given you a commitment that he'll deliver it on 25th of January. Where does he go for that material? Right? Next.
Is it billed to the customer?
Huh?
It is not billed to the customer.
Billed to order.
What is billed to the customer?
I mean, it is invoice is not generated.
Not at that stage.
Invoice
No.
will be generated after 60
Yeah, exactly. What I'm doing is,
Only reserve.
Infosys has ordered a particular machine for me, and I have got it, I've received it, but if they say don't deliver today, I keep it in the corner. Say this is reserved for Infosys, not for anybody else. Right? Next. Failure Laser is a joint venture company with a German company with a manufacturing unit in Paitan near Aurangabad and office in Andheri. So multi-location is handled very well. Some activities are done in Bombay, some in Paitan. Manufacturing is done there. The PO is raised in Andheri and the material is received in Paitan. Lytle is a company in Bhosri. They make heating systems. Okay, this Hyundai car after it is painted, it passes through the oven. That heating system is made by them. 1 साल लग जाता है बनने आने में. 3 months तो उसका electrical panel में लग जाता है. Zafar is a company which is into toys. NKCC is a corrugated box manufacturing company. Action is again, like I said, the lens manufacturing company. They make electronic components, proto control. Same with Manas. Manas is also into flow meters. Sachi is a project-based company. Chiniwalas is of course projects. They have handled huge projects like say for example the Hyderabad International Airport, 5 lakh square foot has been handled by them. Lot of peculiarities there, in these project-based. Megatech is a UPS company. Next. ERP implementation is like Saas Bahu Kahani. The Saas is never happy with the Bahu is never happy with the Saas. But still, some of our relationship have not been as bad as Saas Bahu, the good ones. They've spoken a few good words about us. Next. Action. AMM is Action Medical. Next. This is a heating systems company.